Cardano is still dominant. It's still dominant in a multitude of ways. And yeah, ADA is a slow grower, right? It's not something that, has a blast off, 40, 50% gain from time to time, but it's slowly but surely doing a lot to solve big issues. Very similar to ClearCryptos, by the way, here. Obviously, ClearCryptos just launching in October 2022, but that's a nice parallel for me, Cardano and ClearCryptos, right? A lot of people kind of look at Cardano as rather stable, but it's still a top crypto. Of course, CCX has a long way to get there, but I think that's where the future lies with CCX. It's going to be one of these staples that people look at as, wow, that protocol and that company is really solving issues and problems. They're not built on hype. They're not built on, speculation, right? It's kind of an enigma in a lot of ways. Cardano is, and I think CCX is that in a much different way and a smaller scale right now on the DeFi side of things, because not a lot of people understand fully what's going on. With Cardano, they're solving big issues, right? Like African students' test scores, putting all of those on the blockchain, like creating DJED, their stablecoin, which is set to go live, and utilizing a tech that nobody's really done before in creating that. And also all the 1,100 plus projects now being built. How about the GitHub activity that is through the roof? Developers are starting to build on ADA. And I think it's just a matter of time. And I think it's going to happen next bull run where people will really see just how dominant Cardano has been quietly behind the scenes here. And with all of the things that happen with centralized exchanges and the shakeout and the fallout, Cardano really came out of it unscathed because it's pretty decentralized compared to some of its competitors, which is something else a lot of people like. Here's what you can say about Cardano, whether you like it or not. The community is stronger than ever. And a lot of people, and I mean 70+% of people, stake their Cardano. That means they have trust in the ecosystem for the long term. And I like that as an investor. I like to see that, right? This is an asset that's been around since 2017. It's been in or around the top 100, in or around the top 10 since 2017. Say what you want about Cardano, but it's dominant in a lot of different ways. And I think the price just hasn't caught up yet, but eventually it will. That's my 2 cents. I'm sticking to it. Let me know what you guys think down below. If you agree, disagree, drop your thoughts, comments, ideas down below. Don't forget to subscribe right here to Clear Cryptos. We'll see you.